notice to Mariner number 183, Tech 25, Virginia, Chesapeake Bay, offshore, Chesapeake Bay, southern approach, lighted buoy 13, lightless number 475, reported extinguished. Break. Sector Virginia, broadcast notice to Mariner number 182, Tech 25, Virginia, Chesapeake Bay, offshore, Chesapeake Bay, southern approach, lighted buoy 9, lightless number 455, reported extinguished. Break.
Sector Virginia, broadcast notice to Mariners 179ers, TAC 25, Virginia, watch a pre channel buoy 1, light list number 6650, reported missing. Break.
Sector Virginia, broadcast notice to Mariner number 178-25, Virginia Atlantic Coast, Wallis Island. Mariners are advised the launch director, National Aeronautics and Space Administration, Wallis Flight Facility, Wallis Island, Virginia, has advised that the areas in the Atlantic Ocean, including the existing danger zone off of Wallis Island and Chesapeake Inlet, depicted as 334.130, as shown on the Nautical Ocean Service chart, will be hazardous to navigation because of a rocket launch during the period and time. The test windows are July 18th through the 24th at 5:45 p.m. through 7:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Public ship avoidance area is in effect and bound by 4 nautical mile hazard area at center point 37-47.997 north, 075-26.89 west. During the launch window, contact Wallops plot via Marine Band 12 and 22 or landline 757-824-1685. Outside the launch window, contact Surveillance Coordinator Jordan West 757-824-2949. Break. Sector Virginia, broadcast notice. Mariners 177 Tech 25, Virginia, Willoughby Bay, Hampton Roads, Atlantic Coast. Willoughby Bay, Channel J Beacon 3A, lightless number 10585. Report destroyed. Willoughby Bay, Channel Light 7, lightless number 10595. Report destroyed. Sector Virginia, broadcast notice. Tech 25. Virginia, Atlantic Ocean, Wallis Island. Mariners are advised the launch director, National Aeronautics and Space Administration, Wallis Flight Facility, Wallis Island, Virginia, has advised that the areas in the Atlantic Ocean, including the existing danger zone off Wallis Island and Chesapeake Inlet, as shown on National Ocean Service chart, will be hazardous to navigation because of a rocket launch during the periods of time stated below. The test windows are July 18th, 7:45 p.m. to July 19th, 1 o'clock a.m. July 19th, 7:45 p.m. July 20th, 1 o'clock a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. July 20th, 7:45 p.m. to July 21st, 1 o'clock a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. July 21st, 7:45 p.m. to July 22nd, 1 o'clock a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. July 22nd, 7:45 p.m. to July 23, 1 o'clock a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. July 23, 7:45 p.m. to July 24th, 1 o'clock a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. July 24th, 7:45 p.m. July 25, 1 o'clock a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Public ship avoidance areas in effect and bound by 19 nautical mile hazard area, center point 37, task force 6, decimal, possible, task 75, task 6, decimal 881, 31 nautical mile hazard area at center point 37, task 32, decimal 14 north, slash 74, task 15, decimal 17 west, 27 nautical mile hazard area, center point 37, task 49, decimal 23 north, 73, task 23, decimal 16 west, 32 nautical mile hazard area, center point 37, task 46, decimal 68 north, 72, task 20, decimal 05 west, 36 nautical mile hazard at center point 37, task 45, decimal 37 north, 71, task 15, decimal 56 west, 46 nautical mile hazard area, center point 36, task 25, decimal 2 north, 71, task 2, decimal 88 west, During the launch window, contact wall plot via marine band VHF 12 and 22 or landline 757-824-1685. Outside the launch window, contact